guys, this is Ray Small Bake. Today we're going to make a chocolate cake trifle. For those of you who don't know what chocolate trifle is, it's chocolate cake with homemade whipped cream and strawberries. Strawberries. Chocolate cake mix. Vanilla. Powdered sugar. Whipping cream. Making the cake mix, we're going to need water, vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. Let's start by pouring in the cake mix. Now we're going to pour in the water. Let's mix it up. Oil is hard to clean up, so be careful when you're pouring. Now add the egg. When you're cracking eggs, make sure you don't get pieces of shell in there. If you do, take it out. Now that we got our cake batter done, now add it to the pan. This is my dad's favorite. What's your favorite? Comment down below. Now that's baking, we're going to cut up the strawberries. Cut the strawberries into little squares, but make sure to be careful because the knife is sharp. Now that we cut our strawberries, we're going to make our homemade whipped cream. We're going to start by pouring in the whipping cream. Then we're going to add the sugar. Now, let's mix. I'm going to measure the vanilla, but be careful not to spill. I'm going to speed it up a little so it whips faster. That's probably fine. Okay, we have our whipped cream nice and stiff. Now that we got our ingredients, we're going to start by putting the cake on the bottom. Now we're going to get the whipped cream and put it on top of the cake. And now we're going to put the strawberries on the whipped cream. And we're going to repeat that one more time. I was thinking, if you like berries, you could put blueberries, or why not both? If you have a different fruit, comment down below. So here's what our trifle looks like. Like and subscribe and watch our next video.